Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Spatial Promotion Conditions plugin. Now this particular add-on allows to create various card promotion conditions for the new customers, which include buy X get Y offer condition, adding the condition based on the total order placed by the customer on selected dates of the calendar and once per customer per day, per week, per month or per year as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the particular add-on, that's the CS Card Spatial Promotion Conditions, and I'll be giving you an example there of the same. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront of the CS Card itself, and I am within the cart right now, and I have added one product, that's the Legend of the Guardians, into the cart there. Now right now what I've done is I've set up a cart promotion condition there, that is for the buy X get Y. So if the customer is buying, for example, two products, he's getting one product depending upon what the condition has been set by the admin in the cart promotion conditions there. Now here you can see that right now I have only one product in the cart, but if I make it as two and I recalculate here, you can see that the applied promotion, special promotion has been applied and the products have been updated successfully. Now if I scroll down here, you can see that the special promotions has been applied to the cart there, and we are having one more product in the cart, or two products. So this is buy two get two free condition that we have set up. So that's why here I'm having two products of the Legion of the Guardians, and I'm getting two products free of cost there for the Legions of the Guardian. As you can see here, we have the free thing written there itself, right? Now here under the applied promotions, I have this special promotion name, the name of the promotion, and I can view the description of the promotion as well. Now this can be set up from the backend panel when you're creating the promotion conditions there. At that time we'll be able to set up the particular description for the respective card promotion that we are going to create. Now this was buy two get two free. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel. So to create the card promotion conditions, what you need to do is you need to navigate to marketing and then promotions, and that would list up the complete list of promotions that you have created. Now this is the special promotion that we were just checking out. So if I tap on that, here we have the description that was visible there, valid offer. This is the name, the special promotion that is visible here as well, special promotion. And under the conditions, you can see that I've chosen the condition as particular product in category, the particular product in cart, buy X get Y. So if it's equal or greater than 2, for example, then I've set the bonus as 2. So if you're adding two products there, or 2 units of a product there, then you are getting 2 units free of that same product there as well. So that's why it's showing it as buy 2 and we're getting 2 products free there. Now what if I make it as, for example, if I change it to buy 1, right, and get 1 free. Let me save this up and let's come to this particular thing and let me make it to as 1, and I recalculate it. So now you can see that we are having the condition buy 1 get 1 free. So we have added one Legion of the Guardians to the cart and we are getting 1 free there. Now if I make it as 2 and I try and recalculate it, you can see that buy 2 get 1 free is also applicable there. If we have set the condition as particular products in cart greater or equal to 2, then the bonuses is 1. So that's why it's showing here buy 2 and we're getting 1 as free there itself. Now let me try and show you how we can create the promotion there. To do so, you have to tap here on the add button at the top right hand corner, go to the add cart promotion. Here you can fill up the name, detailed description, short description, choose the available period, set the priority, choose whether to set it as active, hidden or disabled, and choose to stop other rules from applying as well. Then coming to the conditions, here you can choose the conditions. So you have to tap on add conditions, and from the this drop down option here you can choose particular product in cart, buy X get Y free for new users, lifetime order total by customer, once per customer, per day, week, month or year, on selected date. So these conditions are available there, and accordingly then you can go to the bonuses, and under the bonuses you can choose the particular, for example, number of bonus products by X get Y free there. So I hope that this particular video tutorial helped you out in understanding the workflow of the CS card special promotion conditions, and it helped you out in understanding how this add-on allows you to create various card promotion conditions for the new customers that include buy X get Y offer condition, adding the conditions based on total order placed by the customer on selected dates of the calendar, and once per customer, per day, per week, per month and per year. So in this video I just showed you the example for buy X get Y free. The rest of the ones can be checked out as per your own requirement. You can go through the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video for more details there, and you can also check the live demo that I have attached for checking out the rest of the conditions there. So yes, that was much about the CS card special promotion conditions add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow there. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.tvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.